Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best sellers in the false eyelash category, the Pawotence Lash Extension Kit DIY. This kit has taken the beauty world by storm, offering salon-quality eyelash extensions you can apply yourself at home. If you've been searching for a way to achieve fuller, natural-looking lashes without the hassle or cost of a salon visit, this might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Inside the box, you get 280 pieces of individual lash clusters in two volume options, 30D and 40D, with lengths ranging from 9 to 16 millimeters. This variety lets you create a look that's uniquely yours, whether you want a subtle enhancement for everyday wear or a dramatic volume boost for special occasions. Along with the lash clusters, the kit includes a lash bond and seal, plus a lash applicator tool to make the application process easier and more precise. What sets this kit apart is the quality of the lash fibers. Pawotence uses updated synthetic materials designed to feel soft and lightweight while offering durability and a natural appearance. These lashes are crafted to mimic real lashes closely, so they blend seamlessly with your own lashes for a fuller yet natural effect. The design focuses on comfort, so you won't feel weighed down or irritated while wearing them. The application process is straightforward, making it ideal for beginners and those who want to DIY their eyelash extensions. First, gently roll down the lash band with the included tweezers. Next, apply the lash bond to your natural lashes. Then place the lash clusters underneath. Finally, use the lash seal brush to lock everything in place. The kit provides all the essentials so you can skip a salon appointment and save both time and money. One of the great benefits of this kit is its versatility. Whether you're going for a daytime natural look or an evening glam effect, you can customize your lash volume and length by mixing and matching the clusters. The varying sizes and thicknesses allow you to play with styles and create a look that fits your mood and occasion. The compact packaging makes it easy to carry around and perfect for touch-ups on the go. Plus, since it's a DIY kit, you have complete control over your lash styling and maintenance, which means you can keep your lashes looking fresh and flawless whenever you want. Overall, the Pawotence Lash Extension Kit DIY is an impressive option for anyone who loves the look of full, fluttery lashes but prefers to handle the application themselves. It combines quality, ease of use, and variety in one convenient package, making it a standout choice in the crowded false eyelash market. If you want to achieve that professional eyelash extension look at home without spending a fortune, this kit is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.